Hopewell Chin'ono, Zimbabwe's famous journalist, has taken it upon himself to encourage Zimbabweans to go look for greener pastures elsewhere. Uko gift ostalos took to social media to complain of the Mabvuku councillor who was abducted akabaiwazve injection riya risingazikama kuti nderechi. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget like and subscribe. Recently, Hopewell posted something on his social media encouraging people of Zimbabwe to live. Nezuro akabva atextwa neumwe munhu achibvambunza kuti at 45 years is it okay for me to go kunyika dziri kure, especially Britain, to go and try do care work. The letter reads, "Hope I find you well. Just want to ask for advice. I'm a male aged 45. I'm planning to go to UK for care work. Is it a wise decision considering my age, no house of my own, still struggling even to buy a stand? So right now I'm on attachment at an old people's home." Chokwadi guys, zvii zvakadaro zvokuti at 45 unenge uchiri paattachment vedwe zvakaoma, but Hopewell actually answered achibva ati iye it is fine to live because you still have 20 more years before you reach retirement age. You won't be employable after 65. You will have health bills for you and madam. As we get older, health issues dzinobva dzanyanyisa. You will die a miserable death if you have no money solely for the sake of your kids and yourself and your madam. Britain allows you to work there legally. It will give you a peace of mind and decent health care. Be a man, live and work for your family. Zimbabwe is a broken society and all the politicians have no plans for stopping the rot except talk. So kuri kunzi zvenevakomana hapana zvavari kuita kunze kwekungotaura, but vanhu vazhinji they actually saying no, Hopewell, we cannot live. Ndiani achavaka nyika vene vayo tisu tikazoenda kune dzimwe nyika zvichazodii? Umwe wondoba anoti neunhu hwenyu hwemazimbabwean men, you guys are actually going to get arrested and spend the remaining years in prison because you are very abusive to your wives. Kuvakadzi vekuzimbabwe kandi vanotsvaka mari, varume vakagara. Saka vamwe vari kuti aiwa, it's too late kuenda ku-UK. Why don't we actually open our own business? Gift ostalos turned to social media kukomplaina zvakare. Vakomana ava vanoshandisa social media zvakanyanyisa. Handizivi kuti inyaya yekuti hakuna mitemo here kana kuti chii, but he actually wrote on his wall, in Zimbabwe, the state has turned against its own citizens since the shambolic election of 23rd. There's blatant disregard of the law and fundamental freedoms. We received an SOS in the middle of the night that our former MP for Mabvuku, Tafara, Honorable Chidakwa, was abducted and badly assaulted by unknown assailants and found damned in Acturas. He is badly injured and he has been injected with an unknown substance. He has a lot of deep cuts and is currently hospitalized. So vari kuhospital ndokwavari kuwana help. But kuri kunzi zvoni vazhinji vari kuti aiwa kavakomana, nyaya yekuramba muchiuya pasocial media muchingotaura kuti dai tadai zvinobatsira chii?